Clearly, in a mature market like legal services, new and different ways of entering the profession are bound to need some interrogation and scrutiny by employers. So a key part of that conversation is to work with employers to explore and understand what the benefits might be to them of doing something different to the norm.
My advice would have to be to small firms of a similar size. Consider this for them. Consider looking at your existing staff members who've worked very hard over the years, who've shown talent and an interest and ability, and then reward them with a chance to progress and further their careers.
Well, I've been working here for about 10 years as a secretary, and then Irene Davis, one of the directors, seen about the apprenticeship and approached Rebecca and me to see if it's something that I'd be interested in, and started from there. Once I've done the apprenticeship, I can progress my career to be more of a paralegal role within the firm rather than a secretarial role.
We are of course used to a traditional route in the legal profession of employers and employees, but the apprenticeships are going to be brought in, which will help social mobility and diversity in the profession.
I see the potential benefits of apprenticeships within Admiral Law as being another tool in our armoury of being able to upskill our members of staff, another pathway for people to join into a legal qualification and getting them towards where they want to be, and certainly us as a business.
The individuals are earning while they're learning and at the same time providing a return to the business.
Bear in mind that it does involve a lot of involvement. An apprenticeship is about nurturing somebody rather than just expecting them to go into the classroom, be in the workplace and just progress. Really, you do as an employer need to have a lot of input and give the apprentice support to make sure that they progress through the apprenticeship.
We've made a number of changes to assist with the delivery of the apprenticeship programme, mainly to have a support group for the learners, to consolidate the learning that they had, to answer any questions, to go through past papers, and to basically generally give support.
So by training up the mentors in their workplace, we allowed them and provided the opportunity to have that support, not just from their line manager, but somebody who wasn't their line manager, who would be a mentor.
We see mentoring as part of helping employers become apprenticeship ready, to prepare the ground, if you like, for those candidates going through the apprenticeship framework. And if you have additional support that's perhaps separate to your line manager or separate to your assessor, it's an independent third party you can go to and discuss quite honestly your concerns and challenges with the programme.
What's happened within our own organisation is that going forward with apprentices, we've actually noticed that the current apprentice would perhaps be the next workplace mentor, because already she's naturally talking to other members of staff who we've identified may be suitable and who are perhaps interested in knowing more about the apprenticeship. So already she's evolving into a quasi-workplace mentor.
Yeah, it's been perfect for me. You do it through work. It's in working hours, so I wouldn't have been able to give up work to go to college or university to do it, because obviously I got a child, I got a mortgage, so without it, this is the only route that I could have taken to get the qualification. I think if an opportunity became available to go further in the apprenticeship, then I'd take it up. Yes, it's too good not to take up to progress my career.